Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Solana daily update. We are going to see some important stuff. We're going in the short term and on the mid term. Before we continue, join the monthly subscription, link in the description and in the comments section. You will get an automated system for 200 altcoins. The system is getting updated and join in to reach and of course to know when to buy and when to sell your altcoins. You will also get a manual system with buying and selling opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates and many more benefits such as random giveaways and of course Pine scripts for trading view. So join in and of course you can cancel anytime you like. You can join our Telegram group chat as well. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's proceed quickly into a non-biased technical analysis. Right now we have a little bit of a high risk. You can see that we have 200 Tether USD 196, 192 and of course the 0.618, 190 as our next support levels. And why do I give these support levels? I will explain afterwards, and of course we will have more price targets in the mid-term price analysis. We are going now to see the MACD and the volume. Volume is increasing, as you can see. It is very good, and the MACD right now has some higher lows, higher highs. It surpassed this resistance line we had, very good, and now we want to see it going upwards all the way. So we want to see it going upwards all the way from here to go even higher. Let's go to Solana USDT on the 4-hour frame to see some risk metrics. This is one of the reasons I draw a little bit of a support levels. You can see that we have a total high risk. Yes, we are on an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame. However, we might be getting a little bit down before we can go up again. It is a very healthy correction and it will be a healthy correction. Do not worry even if we correct a little bit right now. Do not worry, do not panic in. I'm just saying that we have a risk on the 4-hour frame, an extreme overbought situation with 4 out of 4 risk metrics being in a risk. So therefore we have a very high risk, and of course we might sellers might step in and push the price a little bit further down. Do not worry about that though. Let's go to the daily frame and we will stand here as much as on the price analysis. You can see we had a buying opportunity with the SSL hybrid. On the daily frame it looks like we can surpass the previous all-time high easily. So do not worry about anything, but we want to see how this daily will close out. If it closes out bullish, then it will be very bullish. And what I mean by let's see how this daily frame will close out, I mean by that we will have a red candlestick right there, huge sell pressure, or will we remain around something like this we had before and today? So we need to see on the daily frame where are we going. Let's just draw a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom. You can see that we have a 240 as a resistance level for the next price target that Solana on the daily frame has, and it is very possible if we close above on the daily frame above the 194 to get into the next price target, the 239. So therefore we can go there, and of course on the daily frame we have though a very high risk as well. So be careful a little bit for Solana, be careful for this daily. We need to see how this day will close out. Let's go to the 4-hour frame on Solana Bitcoin chart. Here you can see we have a very high risk as well. A nice impulsive wave though. You can see all the green candlesticks right there. We had a nice impulsive wave. Even if we correct, I do not think this will be a massive correction. We can do something like this, like an ABCD pattern. ABCD. Let's go to the harmonic patterns right here. Find the ABCD and go to the A, B, C, and D. We might be getting an ABCD pattern. The C might be around here, might be a little bit further down. We will see about that. And of course, let's go to the Solana Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are looking good because we went actually above the 20-day MA. The 20-day MA didn't cross down the 50-day MA. Amazing stuff right there, but always keep in your mind that we have a little bit of a high risk, mainly with 2 out of 4 risk metrics, not with the RSI of course, and not with the Fisher transform. Amazing stuff right there. Let's go to Solana USDT chart. You can see that right now I will draw a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top because we want to find major support levels. And I have support levels because we have a very high risk. Of course, the minus 0.236 next target for the short term is at our previous all-time high. You can see that, okay? So what you should be looking for, I think you should be looking for as a next price buying opportunity, re-entry this area around there. Okay, if we go down, because I'm expecting Bitcoin maybe to get rejected from the 20-day MA to go even further down. If we get this, then Solana might be getting a little bit further down as well into these price support levels. Okay, so a good re-entry would be there for Solana. And of course, if we do not get much of a correction right there for Solana, then you should be having and you should open your daily frame. And of course, on the daily frame, we have something that we want to see. Okay, and on the daily frame, I will tell you something. Here you can see that if we close above on the daily, above the 194, around there, 195.66, of course, then we will be going to the next price target, and these are for the short midterm, 240, 54, 66, and 278 for Solana. Can we go there? Yes, it is very possible to get there, but we need to wait a little bit for the time being on the 4-hour frame, because as I talked about before and as I told you, we have a very, very high risk right there. Okay, so we should be a little bit careful. We need to see our support levels again, and we have, I will tell it again, 190 around there, 92, 96, and the 200 around this area will be a great rebuying entry. Okay, so you can go in there. Even if we go a little bit further down, do not worry, we will just be getting higher. Okay, for the short term, that is for Solana. Okay, so therefore just be careful a little bit if we go down, mainly due to the fact that we have an overbought situation for Solana against Bitcoin chart, and you can see that I have for the ABCD, as my ABCD pattern will be, I have this, maybe the C will get to the 0.618 nearly, or maybe a little bit higher like the 0.5, and then the D will be around the minus 0.236, maybe here as well. So I have the targets for Solana against Bitcoin chart as well, but I'm expecting a little bit of retracement right here for Solana against Bitcoin, and as well for Solana against USDT. That is the next price targets, you know already, for the midterm, short midterm I had. And of course, before we close the video, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. You will get easy profits, you will learn a lot, and you will know about this bullish run. Okay, so join in. 200 altcoins, the system is updating, and of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.